Welcome to the Rent Café application guide for waitlist openings with the Fairfax County Department of Housing and Community Development. This will guide you step by step to successfully apply for available waitlists in Fairfax County. Please note some important information. The waitlist opens for 1 week in February, June, and October of each year. During this time frame, the waitlist begins on Monday at 8 a.m. and closes on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Adults 18 years and above. Certain properties require the head of household to meet this minimum age requirement for family vouchers. Adults 62 years and above. Certain properties require the head of household to meet this minimum age requirement for senior vouchers. You can apply from any device with internet access. You will need the following items to apply for a housing waitlist: a current email address. If you do not have one, you will need to create one before starting the process. Your social security number, if applicable, the best phone number to reach you, income information, your total household income information, if applicable, and information on your household composition. Who will be living with you? To access the website from any internet accessible device, type the following into your web browser: www.fairfaxcounty.gov/housing/rental housing/project-based-voucher-program. After you type in the web address into your browser, you'll be taken to the login page. Fairfax County is committed to a policy of non-discrimination in all county programs, services, and activities, and will provide reasonable accommodations upon request. If you need a reasonable accommodation for the waitlist opening, please call 703-246-5000. If you've previously applied for the waitlist with Fairfax County, you may use the login page and enter your username, which is your email address, and your password. If you have not registered before for a Fairfax County waitlist opening, please click here to register. Next, click the Create My Account button. Then click the I do not have a registration code button. Next, we will be filling out personal details. Please start by entering your legal first name and your legal last name. Please enter your social security number. If you do not have a social security number, please enter 999-99-9999. Please enter the best phone number to reach you at. Please enter a valid email address. Your email address will be your username. Next, enter a password. Your password must be a minimum of 10 characters long and must contain at least one lowercase and one uppercase letter, one number, and one symbol. Check the I'm not a robot box. Select all the images that are requested. Then click the Verify box. Then click the box that says I have read and accept the terms of condition. Please review the Rent Café terms of service and click the Accept button in the bottom right-hand corner. Then hit the Register button. Please select your preferred language. Please hit the Save and Continue button. Please review the Getting Started as well as Equal Housing Opportunity Statement and hit the Save and Continue button at the bottom. Please enter your contact information below. Remember to verify your address and phone numbers are correct. The next section is for the head of household. The head of household is the adult member of the family who is considered the head for purposes of determining income eligibility and rent. Complete the next section for the head of household and hit Save and Continue. Please enter your date of birth and your identified gender. Then hit Save and Continue. Then for the head of household, choose all that apply for your race. Then choose your ethnicity. Then choose your citizenship status. Then hit Save and Continue. Next, enter your household information. You will complete the next section for all other members of your household. This information will be used when determining the number of bedrooms your household will be eligible for, as well as housing program assistance eligibility. Then hit Save and Continue. For the next step, for the spouse or co-head, understand that a co-head of a household is an individual in the household who is equally responsible with the head of the household for ensuring that the family fulfills all of its responsibilities under the program, but they are not a spouse. If you do not have a spouse or co-head of the household, leave the section blank and hit Save and Continue. Next, enter the family income, which is your annual income of all of the family members present. Please be aware that annual income means all amounts, monetary or not, that go to or on behalf of any family member or are anticipated to be received by the family. Please note for family members, if there are no future tenants in a particular category, you must enter a 0. Do not leave any of these boxes blank. Then hit Save and Continue. Next, we'll be reviewing accessibility needs. Is someone in the household require hearing access, mobility access, or sight access support? Then hit Save and Continue. Next, we'll review if there are any special needs. Please check all the boxes that apply. Then hit Save and Continue. Waiting lists. Please select the waiting list that you wish to apply for. Then hit Save and Continue. Preferences. Please choose all the preferences that apply to you on this screen. Then hit Save and Continue. Final review and submission. Please verify that the information you have submitted is correct. If you want to make changes, click the appropriate menu links on the left side of the screen. Please review the terms and conditions that you certify that the information given to the Fairfax County Redevelopment and Housing Authority on household composition, income, and assets is accurate and complete. Please check the box that says I accept all of the above terms and conditions. And click the Submit Application button. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your application for the waitlist. Please note the confirmation number at the bottom of the page. Please take an opportunity to either write it down, print out the page, or take a screenshot with your phone. You also have the opportunity to download the application in a PDF form to print out by clicking the button below. And now you may log out. Please remember to keep your username and your password in a safe location. And thank you for joining us in the waitlist submission process.